Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing experience comparison between the Realme P4x versus Moto G57 Power. So let's do the quick unboxing comparison. So what are the contents the both phones can actually offer? That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video, comparing both phones in terms of the what contents both phones are providing. The Realme P4x is priced around like 13,499, and for that you're getting the case included in the box. So these are transparent case you are getting here. So with that you do get the screen card protector for the device. So built-in screen card is coming out of the box, so that's also a pretty good thing in the Realme P4x. And next thing, you do get the charger charging brick and the cable and the SIM card pin. As you can see, these are the contents the phone do have, the Realme P4x. So now let me to take a look at the Motorola. So what the Motorola is offering in terms of the overall. So out of the box, what contents you do get. So there is no case. So there is no case provided in the box, and is a charger, as you can see, and is a cable, and these are SIM card removal pin. So these are the actual unboxing comparison between the both phones. So the Realme P4x do get the case, definitely that gonna save some money, like maybe 200 rupees, something around that. And even the screen guard is also there, so no need to worry in the initial days. So that's pretty good, guys. So in terms of the Realme, what it's offering, so I wish the Motorola could have included the at least the case thing in the box. That could be really helpful and handy as well. So that's something which I did notice in the Realme P4x. So overall, this is a quick comparison, guys, between the both devices in terms of the unboxing experience. Meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching. Until next of more updates, and don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel for more videos on the Realme P4x and the Moto G57. As you can see, these are playlist videos which are created on the both the phones. So make sure to check those playlist videos and follow my channel regularly for more information. Until then, signing off. Thank you for watching and bye.